Thinking about upgrading your outdoor space with a pergola? We're here at a real-life install to help walk you through the 5 key steps to choosing the right aluminum pergola for your home. Step number 1, know your options. Not all aluminum pergolas are the same. There's motorized aluminum pergolas like the one above me, which lets you open and close the louvers with a remote or a smart home system. There's also the manual louvered pergola, which allows you to adjust the louvers by hand. And if you're looking for something more open, the slatted roof pergola offers fixed open louvers for partial shade and airflow. Step number 2, think about how you're going to use this space. Is it for dining, relaxing, or entertaining? For example, this family wanted a shaded outdoor space that still felt connected to the outdoor pool and patio. And this motorized pergola made that possible, rain or shine. Step number 3, decide on the installation type. Aluminum pergolas can either be built freestanding, attached to the home, or integrated right into the architecture of your property. Step number 4, work with a certified dealer. This entire project was beautifully brought to life by Show Pros Florida. Choosing the right certified installer means you're going to get the proper design guidance, permits, and a professional finish. Step number 5, think beyond the install. Look for features like smart sensors, integrated lighting, and rust-resistant materials. And aluminum, it's low maintenance, built to last, and it holds up in all kinds of weather. Now, if you're worried about leaks or drainage in your aluminum pergola, just check out the video below. Want to know what material is best for you? Then click this video for a full materials overview. For more ideas and inspiration, check out the link in the description or talk to your local certified Azenco outdoor installer.